Well, since the storms moved out of the ArkLaTex this morning, we've been pretty much strong storm free across the ArkLaTex so far. This is what we're looking at right now here on Pinpoint Doppler. You can see a few scattered showers and a little bit of thunder here over the southern sections of the area. A little bit of heavy rain there north and east of Mansfield. That's moving to the north and east. Stronger storms moving into Wind Parish, moving out of the area, and the activity further to the south, not posing much of a severe weather risk. Going to have to keep an eye on these storms right here, which are now south of Canton, southwest of Tyler. Those moving towards the northeast at around 40 miles per hour. And just to kind of give you a sense as to when they could move into the areas, they move in this general direction. You can see they should arrive close to the Arkansas, Texas, Louisiana line here, pretty close to 8:30 given their present speed. Again, you can see some intensity with this thunderstorm. We do not have anything as far as watches in place as of yet. But that is the area of concern here for the next several hours. Let's go through the nighttime hours tonight, and you can see how this will play out as we look at the HRRR model. It really doesn't have a good handle on those storms I just pointed out, given their isolated nature. I wanted to point out where it's showing we could see some new development later on tonight. You can see that could take place very late this evening around midnight over the northwest edge of the area. Those storms could pose a risk for some rather gusty winds and some large hail as they continue to move off towards the east, eventually dissipating before we get to sunrise. And then we're going to be looking at the clouds in the morning, gradually giving way to some sunshine. More on that as I show you a futurecast here in a second. Meantime, as far as rainfall overnight, if we see any heavy rain, chances are it's going to be over the northern sections of the area. The HRRR kind of highlighting where those storms arrive soonest. So that's another issue we'll be watching. You can see that as far as the severe weather risk for tonight, most of the area in the slight risk within this yellow area. Again, it does look like the northern half of the ArkLaTex is where that risk may be highest, and that's probably where it's going to stay here as we go through the weekend. And notice SPC does have a risk pretty much every day for the northern part of the ArkLaTex, but it's not set in stone that we'll see much as far as thunderstorms once we get past tomorrow night. Here's what Futurecast is showing for tonight. Notice it does show the concentration of the thunderstorms, probably a bit more coverage than what we will see, but nonetheless it highlights where the storms may be at their strongest. That activity weakens and moves out of the area late tonight, and then tomorrow morning clouds give way to some afternoon sunshine. It'll be kind of breezy, hot and humid. We will see thunderstorms potentially develop somewhere here across the northern half of the area late tomorrow evening. That activity will gradually wind down tomorrow night, and then Saturday you can see the quiet weather, which will settle back in with basically a partly cloudy sky, and we should stay dry for Saturday night. Let's go through the rest of the weekend here and zoom this out to regional level, and you can see, just to make a point, that Futurecast not showing a whole lot as of yet as far as thunderstorms. Here we go for Sunday. Notice the placement of the thunderstorms up in Arkansas. They stay to our north and east, and then as we go into Monday, we'll have to keep an eye on the frontal system itself. That could bring us our next best chance for more widespread rain once we get through tomorrow night. So a forecast for tonight is looking mostly cloudy. Scattered thunderstorms will impact the area, probably strongest over the northern sections of the area. Lows tonight a bit above normal, mainly in the 60s north, upper 60s, lower 70s south. Again tomorrow, partly cloudy, hot and humid, as we'll see temperatures heating up into the low to middle 90s over most of the area. And your 10-day forecast shows that over the weekend during the day, pretty much dry. We'll have to keep an eye on the evening hours. Notice that frontal system coming in with the wind shift. We'll see cooler temperatures during the middle part of next week when daytime highs fall back to the 80s, lows to the 60s. A little bit of a warm up and maybe some rain late next week.